In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord update failed. First, let's make sure Discord is fully closed before we try anything else. Sometimes the app stays running in the background and blocks its own update. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for anything named Discord. Select it, then click End Task to close it completely. Give it a second, then open Discord again and see if the update completes. This simple reset often clears a stuck updater. If the issue continues, restart both your computer and your internet. Start by restarting your PC to clear any lingering processes or temporary locks. Then, power cycle your router or Wi-Fi by turning it off for about 10 to 15 seconds and turning it back on. A fresh connection can resolve download interruptions that cause update failures. Next, quickly check your internet connection. Open a web browser and load any website you trust. If pages load normally, your connection is likely fine. If they're slow or timing out, focus on fixing your Wi-Fi first, since Discord's updater needs a stable connection. Once your internet is steady, try opening Discord again. If Discord is stuck in an update loop, clear the update files. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %localappdata% plus Discord and press Enter. In the folder that opens, you can either delete the Discord folder entirely or find update.exe and rename it. This forces Discord to rebuild its updater the next time it launches. Only make changes in this Discord folder to avoid touching unrelated files. After that, launch Discord and see if it updates properly. If none of the above works, the most reliable solution is to reinstall Discord. Uninstall Discord from your system's app settings. When it's done, make sure any leftover Discord folders are removed so you get a completely clean slate. Deleting these remnants prevents old, corrupted files from interfering with a fresh install. Then reinstall Discord from the official website and sign back in. A clean reinstall replaces damaged update components and usually resolves persistent update failures. To recap, fully close Discord with Task Manager, restart your PC and internet, verify your connection in a browser, clear the update files if the updater is stuck, and, if needed, perform a clean reinstall. Work through these in order, testing Discord after each step, and you should be back up and running without that update error.